Hello, and welcome to Superior Tech Tips with Steph, a series where you'll be learning tips, tricks, and best practices for the diesel engine industry. Come on, let's take a look at today's tip. For today's Superior Tech Tip, I'm going to go over a couple daily pre-starting checks and basic maintenance items for our marine engines. So first thing we have, of course, is our air cleaner. Definitely looks a little bit different from industrial, but it all works the exact same way. So we want to make sure that there's no debris. We can pull this off, this element here, and take a look at that and make sure that it's all good and put it all back up. We have our fuel filter down here with the SWIFT sensor. It's water and fuel sensor down here. And we want to make sure that we drain the water out of our fuel system before we start our engine to make sure that the fuel system runs well and it runs clean. We also have our oil filter down here and our oil fill right on the bottom here that we can fill our engine with oil if need be. Next to it, to the right here, you can find your dipstick to check your oil level. You should check your oil level before starting your engine every single day. Make sure to inspect the belt inside the belt guard here for any cracks, tears, or for any damage that could cause an issue with any of these moving parts here. We also want to make sure that our heat exchanger is topped off with coolant. Looks good to me. Also, on our heat exchanged engines, we have to make sure that we're inspecting our zinc anodes every 250 hours for wear. And then of course, our seawater pump at 1,000 hours. We want to make sure that there's no leaks coming out of the weep hole here. And we want to make sure that we inspect our impeller for damage. Thanks for joining me for today's Superior Tech Tip. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at service@sdiesel.com, and I'll see you next time.